Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, let's discuss the quadrant snap. What is a quadrant? Okay, let's draw a vertical line and a horizontal line. The vertical line is our y-axis. The horizontal line is our x-axis. Now let's draw a circle at the intersection of these two lines. Let's add a text. This is quadrant 1 over here. Let's just copy this text and use ED to edit the text. This is the second quadrant. Third quadrant, fourth quadrant. If we select the circle, we see we have these four grips here at the quadrant. If we grab it, we can adjust the radius, the scale of the circle here. But what if we want to snap to these quadrants here? That's where the quadrant snap comes into play. At the command line, type OSnap. And let's take a look at the quadrant snap. Let's check that. The description is snaps to a quadrant point of an arc, circle, ellipse, or elliptical arc. Okay. So now if I want to move this circle, now I can snap to these 4 points here. Likewise, if we have an arc, or an ellipse. If I would like to move this, now we have this quadrant, that quadrant, this quadrant, and that quadrant that we can snap to. And for the arc, this quadrant, just this quadrant. And there you have it, folks. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.